The Harlowe Mini LED light is a small bicolor light with a chargeable battery and an adjustable lens. It has a 20-watt output and is also very lightweight. The standard kit, which I purchased, is $299. The Creator Kit is $399. The standard kit comes with the color gels, mini barn doors, and a charger. The Creator Kit comes with all of that, plus a desktop tripod, cold shoe adapter, and a ball head adapter. The Mini uses a V-mount. This is a light I bought specifically for portraits and still life photography. The color accuracy is amazing and fits easily in my photography bag. This was one of the lights I brought with me to Spain recently. I wasn't sure if I was going to get this light initially because the barn doors aren't attached by magnets like the Harlowe Micro. The Mini was created first, and according to Harlowe, this was done because they were new to the market. The barn doors are pretty sturdy and haven't fallen off once I twist them into place. All in all, I look forward to experimenting with this light for my photography work. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. It helps the channel.